Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This is my personal experience using PayPal. PayPal's website, found at paypal.com, serves as the central hub for this globally recognized online payment system. Through this platform, users can effortlessly send and receive money, making it a convenient option for personal transactions, online shopping, and even business operations. Navigating the site is relatively straightforward, allowing individuals to quickly access features like sending payments, requesting funds, and managing their account balance. The site boasts a clean and user-friendly interface designed to cater to users of varying technical proficiency. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to digital transactions, PayPal aims to provide a seamless experience. Key functionalities are clearly presented, minimizing confusion and streamlining the process of moving money. Beyond basic transactions, PayPal offers a range of additional services tailored to different needs. Businesses, for instance, can leverage PayPal's merchant services to accept payments from customers worldwide, expanding their reach and simplifying their financial operations. Furthermore, buyers and sellers alike can benefit from PayPal's buyer-seller protection programs, which provide an added layer of security and peace of mind for online transactions. The platform also offers tools for managing finances, such as tracking spending, creating invoices, and even accessing credit options. PayPal's widespread acceptance contributes significantly to its popularity. Millions of online retailers and service providers accept PayPal as a payment method, making it a ubiquitous choice for consumers. This widespread adoption further solidifies PayPal's position as a leading force in the online payment landscape. With its user-friendly interface, comprehensive suite of services, and global reach, PayPal remains a go-to solution for individuals and businesses seeking a reliable and efficient way to manage their online finances.